The guys are working hard here in the cook tent. Dixon's making some barbecue. Right here. For lunchtime. Got breakfast going, some toast.
Yeah.
Jackson's over here helping out.
Yeah, it is.
Francis is over there making some fruit.
Yes.
Making lunch for this afternoon and breakfast for this morning. Looking good, guys.
Boa, boa. Hakuna matata.
Kuna matata.
This is Bima. He's our head waiter here on Kilimanjaro. Say hi, Bima.
Hi, Kaka. How you do, ID? I'm good.
How you doing?
Good.
Good.
Yes.
He's getting the breakfast table set for the guests. Has some fresh fruit out there. We'll have a good breakfast. We'll have eggs and some pancakes and some fruit and hot cereal and coffee and tea, and make our way up today to the Lava Tower and down to the Great Barranco Camp. All right, Bima. Say hi. Say bye.
Bye.
So I'll show you inside the dining tent here. This is something that's really nice and comfortable for us. So we use a Mountain Hardware Space Station Dome tent here. There's plenty of space inside. You can walk all around. Got the table and chairs here set up. You know, we always have hot water. They're just getting ready for breakfast here. We've also got a floor in the dining tent, which keeps the dust down, but also just makes it warmer in general. When everybody comes in here in the day, during the day or in the evening when the sun goes down, it really cools off up here in Kilimanjaro. But this really helps keep it warm and comfortable for our guests, so we can relax and enjoy dinner and talk and hang out and not be sitting around cold on the mountain, which is super important again at breakfast as well. If it is both days that we were out so far, we're at the Shearer camp, and when we came up to our first day through the rainforest, it was kind of wet. We put the dining tent up for lunch, and then again yesterday when we were in the moorland zone coming up to Shearer camp, we put the dining tent up again so the guests can be comfortable while they eat lunch. Then we got up here to Shearer camp, and the dining tent's up overnight, and we have dinner and then breakfast here before we set out. But this dining tent is huge. Got a table right here, lots of space to walk around. It's got 3 doors in it, so you can enter from different places in it. And then we use our Goal Zero battery here that's solar charged, and it charges the whole lighting system all the way around, so in the evening we can really be comfortable and see what we're doing and not just be sitting around eating under dim lights or headlamps or something like that. It's really important on Kilimanjaro to be comfortable so you can rest and relax, so your body recovers, so you can enjoy the days and the whole experience through. So we'll show you through some of the rest of the camps and some of the other areas that we're going to travel to as we make our way up to Uhuru Peak at 19,341 feet, and then back down through the Mweka Trail to the Mweka Gate on a 7-day Machame route Kilimanjaro climb.